I have created this makeup look using just 2 brushes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back again with a unique video specially for my beginners. So for the beginners who really don't have much makeup products, especially makeup brushes with you, I'm going to tell you how you can create an advanced makeup look using just 2 brushes. So these are the 2 brushes which I'm going to use today to create this beautiful makeup look. I used to do such kind of things when I was a beginner. I barely had any makeup brushes. So this is going to be quite relatable, and trust me, the process is very easy. Let's do it all together. And I hope you all like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. As you all are aware, we are going to do today's makeup using only 2 brushes. So I'll tell you how you can use these 2 brushes to do your entire face makeup, including everything. Now the first step which we are going to do is our eyeshadow. We are going to create an advanced eyeshadow look using just one single eyeshadow brush. First thing first, we are going to prep our eye really well with this concealer from Essence. So I'm using this concealer, Warm Toast Camouflage Concealer from Essence, and I'm going to prep my eye really well. We don't need any brush to do this. Use your finger to blend it. You don't need any specific brush to do this. So I'm almost done. Now we don't want our concealer to crease. For that we are using this fixing powder from Essence. So you can use your second brush, which is your angled fluffy brush, and then apply it this way just to set your concealer. Now I'm going to use the same setting powder, taking this on this angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to create a straight angle over here. And I'm doing this because when we do our eyeshadow, and if we have strong fallout, we can just brush our powder off and take the eyeshadow off. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Big Maxi Reloaded palette. From this palette, I'm going to use this grey shade with our eyeshadow brush. Apply it on my crease. And also on my outer corner. Keep blending that shade on your outer corner and also on your crease. From the same palette, we are going to take this silver shade. You can use either this finger or this finger. Just keep it this way and drag it this way. You get that perfect cut. This is what I'm going to do. You can also keep it light. Depends how you want it. I want a little bit more shimmer. That's the reason I'm putting more. Now our eyeshadow is completely done. The next eyeliner. So I'm using this Essence Black Ink eyeliner. Small line. Then just joining here. That's it. I'm just going to keep it this way. So my eyeshadow is completely done. Now we are going to brush off the extra powder and the products here. So using the second angle brush, a fluffy brush, I'm going to take this powder off. For base, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. Again, now we are not going to use any brush. So we are just going to do it with our finger. So taking little bit, I used to do with my finger when I had very few makeup brushes or even beauty blenders. I'm going to use this Essence Instant Fixing Spray. You can skip this step, it completely depends on you. Spray one, and now use your finger and blend it. You will definitely get the result, trust me. I'm still using my finger to blend it. When you're done blending your foundation, and if you feel there are some patches, foundation patches on your face, I'll tell you what's the trick for that. So take any dry tissue, press it into your skin. This is how you will get rid of those patches. Now it's time to use our second brush to set our face. For that, I'm going to use this Essence Fixing Powder in the shade Light and brush it all over your face. a little bit, that's it. You just have to, you're just doing this step to set your foundation. We are going to contour our face. This is from Misceline and the shade from Hawaii. So I'm going to use again the angled brush. This is like everything. This brush is everything. So going to take little bit, only little bit. And also your jawbone, we need to hide our double chin. And if you have a broad forehead, you can do this step, otherwise you can skip it. We are going to contour our nose using the same powder, but of course we cannot use this fluffy brush. I'm going to use our first brush, eyeshadow brush. I'll just take a dry tissue and eyeshadow product on this. I'll take it off. I'm very happy to share all these steps with you. Now we are going to proceed with the eyeshadow. We are going to complete our lower lash line, mascara, everything. So for that again I'm going to use our first brush. I'm going to take this, the same shade which we have used on our eye. Stick to your lower lash line, don't drag it too much. We just want to give that smoky shady effect to our eye, that's it. I'm going to curl my lashes. Of course I'm going to apply false lashes, but before that I'll apply mascara. I'm going to use this mascara from Essence. My eyeshadow is complete, my mascara, my false lashes are on. Now let's go on to our next step, which is our blush. So we are going to use this brush to do our blush. This blush from Art Deco Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this way because I want to give a facelift. That's the reason I'm doing this step. Blush is complete. Now let's go on to our next step, which is highlighter. So I'm going to apply this highlighter copper plate from Sleek Makeup. Again we are going to use this angled fluffy brush, the one which we used for blush now. And I'm going to take off the extra product, blush, whichever extra remains we have, take it off. Now you see the angled brush tip. So this is one of the main reason why I suggested you to use angled fluffy brush. I'm going to take this shade and using this tip, as I said, we are going to highlight. Look at that. To give that sharp highlight to my nose and little bit on our forehead. For lipstick, I'm going to use this lipstick from Essence. It's in the shade 06 Real. And that's all. It's just 2 brushes and you get this look. You are going to rock your makeup using just 2 brushes. Try it at your home. I'm pretty sure, because when I was a beginner I didn't have much products and I used to manage with just what I had, and out of that I'm doing this makeup today, and it was not at all difficult for me that time, and today also it is not at all difficult for me. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.